That's the security for our parking garage. It's a robot. I don't know if you noticed. Alright, hey everybody, it's Chase. Welcome to episode 2 of my vlog. Just got off work. I'm starting late on the vlog today because I've been very busy trying to get things done. I was off yesterday, so I only have a 4-day week to get 5 days of work done. So, just now leaving work, ready to head home, see Jess and Elliot. And not really looking forward to the bus ride though. It's never fun. Kicked off the train. It's the last stop of this train. We gotta wait for the next one. Typical Muni. Alright, so I decided just to walk home from here. There's some cool stuff on the way I wanted to show you. And I thought that that'd be more fun than just waiting for the next train, which could never come. I take the T train home every day, and along that route is 3rd and Egbert, which is amazing. You'll see why in just a second. There's some awesome art here. I'll show you around. This place out. What? This place is awesome. I highly recommend coming here. Bring some friends, take some photos. You can really get some good shots here. I'm gonna head home from here, and maybe we'll see some other cool stuff on the way home. I walk over these train tracks every day. I always try to get a shot of the train. I never time it right. Doesn't look like I timed it right today either. Oh my gosh, check out this van. That's amazing. Almost home. Made it home. All right, gonna go inside, see Jess, Elliot, and the kitties. Hey Lou. What's up, buddy?
Nothing.
What are you playing?
CSGO.
Oh man, that's awesome. Where's Mom?
I have no idea. I think she's still at work.
Oh really? I'll go check. I'm a little sweaty from that walk home. Jess isn't home yet. Elliot's on the computer. I'm gonna go cool off in the bedroom and pet the cats. And I think that's about it.